Hey, my fabulous kings and queens.
Drift away.
I am back today with another Get Ready With Me video. I'm so excited because I am getting much better at this makeup thing. I have a few little adjustments though, like I need to fix these eyebrows right here. And also I would like to try the smoky eye, but I will do that in another video. Okay guys, so, and also I will be showing you my look that I have. So after I'm finished with my makeup, I will show you my look. I look fabulous today, okay? Like, this shirt is amazing. I think I got it at Fashion Metro, and I love it. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit in a few minutes. But let's get started, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. And click that little bell in case you can see all of the things that I post. It comes straight to your phone. And comment down below what you want to see next, okay? Alright, don't be shy. Go ahead and do it now. I'll wait. Did you subscribe yet? Seriously, why are you looking at me? Just subscribe. Stop looking at me and subscribe. Come on. Thank you. Alright, let's get started. Okay, guys, so what I do first is I use this dry skin cream. It's Pond's. I like to use it on my face, but I'm pretty sure you guys seen me use this before. If you haven't, go ahead and check my video. I think it was a skin video. Skin. Yeah. Let me see. And then I have this Revlon Kiss. This right here. I got it while I was couponing. If you guys would like to coupon, you can go see my videos. It's a coupon haul. I think it says store haul and couponing, so check that out. I'll be teaching you guys how to coupon. It is so fun, guys. Then I have the 330 powder matte poreless right here. The NYX lingerie. I got this from CVS as well. I got a lot of makeup from CVS. I got so much makeup. I'm just trying to look fabulous out here in these streets. So I like to I always love to mix my makeup. to dab, dab, dab on it. I don't like to put too much because it blends really pretty when you just put a little bit. A little dab, 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 don't you think? Hey, how you doing? I like to finish it off with some glossy gloss, but I like to use my Carmet, you know. Ooh, this girl look cute. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I am done with my makeup. I think I look cute or whatever. Hey, now I'm about to show you guys my new outfit. It is so cute and so fetch. I don't even know what fetch means, but I just heard it off of Mean Girls. Anyways, I'm about to show you guys my outfit, okay? So hold on, don't go nowhere. If Peter Piper pecked them, I bet you Remy ducked them. I told you not. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching my video, okay? I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe to the video if you have not done so already, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Please subscribe. Just do that. Alright, I'll see you guys later, alligators. Bye. Peace.